Hello everyone, Patty's Hobby World. We're back again. I had to take a couple of minutes. Had a little conference call. But anyway, we are back to work. So I hope you got what you're drinking. I got sweet tea. Now, if you notice, I got you pretty much locked in right here in the mask area. So I've done my highlighting, I've done my shadowing, created some dimension to the clouds. So now I'm trying to achieve. I want a little bit of color, and I want to use blue before I create this fluorescent mask cover. All right, and I'm still working on that, but just to continue to work in here. Now what I did do is I got my hero. Let me show you the box. Where's the box? These are my watercolor pencils now. Another technique. Watercolor collection by Giuanchi. Okay. So we are going to try. I'm going to try to do something. I don't want heavy marker in here. Here's actually the case. Isn't that gorgeous? So 72 colors, watercolor, comes in a nice little storage case, and I couldn't be more happier. All right, so now the next thing that I need to do is I need to get my next tool. Where is, all right, hold on guys. Okay, we're good, camera's good. Here we go. I got my markers are like everywhere. That's how I like it. So we have this watercolor round brush pen set. So this is what we're going to use to spread the color around. All right, but we are going to do a test first. So let's open it because I haven't opened it yet. Let's see what we got here. So they come in a pack of 3. This is a nice, ooh, it's so soft. Looks like it's nylon. Nice tip for detail. I think that's probably the largest brush. Let's see what this one is. Okay, this one is a little smaller, more flat. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little flatter. So I guess if you need longer strokes, I'm gonna have to be careful with this one because this one's just a little bit flared out there, but more flatter. The other one was quite pointed. And then let's see what this one is because I know I probably will work with this one. Oh, much smaller point brush for more of that detail work. Boom, 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 boom. Get in there, get in there, get in there. So I'm going to, just for the sake, because I just want to try one, let's use the large nib. I'm going to go fill it up with water real quick. So take a look at what I've done so far. Doesn't probably look too much to you because everything is in monotone. And I can probably change the color, but if you can, take a look and be inspired. And I'm going to, wait a minute, this is not the one I want. Hold on, this is not the one I want. I want this one, yes. Alright guys, hold on, I'm just having a hard time because these you fill with water and I'm trying to figure out there's no opening. Alright, plan B. Let me get a little dish of water. Little And I'll figure out how to open those things in a second for the sake of time. Okay? I'm just going to put a little water in here. Because we don't want nothing spilling, that's for sure. Okay, so I got a little water. Because I know these fill up. Okay, I'm going to move this over so we can do some testing here. Okay, let me see if you're in focus. Here's our water. Here's our pad. Okay. Okay, let's see. We are going to test. I guess we'll test all the nibs. I mean the things. All right, so here we go. So we're just going to color. Nice and light. I like it already, but let's see how it spreads. All right, so I'm going to get my my water brush, dip it in, and just see what happens. So, that is not good. All right, so let's see something else. Because that did not spread at all. It just kind of mushed. Let me, if I go darker, if I go harder, darker.